Today we are going to the beach. So I thought I would share some easy beach day hairstyles for those of us who have curly hair. If you're new here, my name's Robina. I film hair care videos as well as a few low carb cooking videos. And if you would like to join, just click the subscribe button down below. If you want to receive notifications for when I post new videos, hit the bell. It's Robina. Fun to film a short tutorial about how I style my hair before I go to the beach. I did film another video about what I do to my hair after we come back from the beach. If you're new here, I do have a Wave Nouveau perm, which is a curly perm. I was natural for 8 years, and before that I was a relaxed girl, and now I have a Wave Nouveau perm. This is old stretched out hair that I'm working with. I'm getting closer to a wash day, especially after we go to the beach. We're going today and we'll go again tomorrow. I will wash my hair after the second time we go to the beach. Let's get into those quick, easy hairstyles that are also very stylish for wearing at the beach. The first style we're gonna do is just a simple, easy, classic updo. All you wanna do is gather all your hair at the top and with the scrunchie, pretty loosely, I'm only going around twice, we are just going to do a high pony. This is perfect for the beach because your hair is out of your face and it's up high. Let me show you another style. A classic top knot. Also, very easy for running around on the beach with little kids, and if you get in the water with just your body and not your head up, then your hair won't get wet in this. Whereas with the ponytail, if you do have longer hair, when you get in the water, sometimes that ponytail will catch some of the water. So another really fun, cute hairdo that you can do is part your hair down the middle. And you can use a comb too if you want it just right. But we're going for quick and easy styles that you can wear to the beach. Now when you have it parted down the middle, go ahead and give each section a quick, loose braid. Once you have your 2 braids done, what I'm gonna do is take this braid and wrap it across the front of my hair. Then I'm gonna take the second braid and go this time the opposite. I'm going to go, instead of going across the front, I'll go around the back. Again, part the hair down the middle. I'm doing a 2-strand twist on both sides of my head, starting from the front and working my way all the way to the back, keeping the hair pretty close to the front of my face. And now I'm just gonna secure these so that they're out of the way with some bobby pins. hope you have enjoyed this quick tutorial of simple ways that you can wear your hair while you're at the beach. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more curly hair content, and also leave a comment down below if you tried one of these hairstyles for the beach, pool, lake, or any other water activities. I will talk to you guys soon. Bye. Beach day!
Don't do that!
You gotta be careful with that sand not to get it in your eyes. Is it in your mouth? What are you crunching on?
I'm just eating. My son was trying to be like food.
Your sand was turning to be like food?
What is that?
That is a jellyfish.
Why is it not moving? Put it back in. Making a sand. I'm gonna build
Don't know if today was the best day to come to the beach because this is our third jellyfish we have found. The non-glamorous side of living near the beach. There's our fourth jellyfish. So we're gonna build a sandcastle. First thing we have to do is build it with strong walls like the walls of Jericho.
And the walls of Jericho are like so when the battle of the walls of Jericho, God, like this is an example. He like flicked it or touched it and pushed it a little, and it just fell down. That's how great God is.
So the beach was a fail because of all the jellyfish, so we ended up coming to a new splash pad, and it is amazing.
Woohoo! Go Henry!
I didn't skip it.
Good job!
I didn't skip it.
There you are. Hi, Quentin. All right, so our beach day turned into a splash pad day, turned into a creek day, and now we're at the park. So these kids are having fun. I'm gonna close out the vlog now. If you haven't done so already, like, comment, and subscribe to this video for more content, and I'll see you in the next one.